Good part. Horn. Goes like that. Harley. Butchered. This is a 42 and later horn. Later being through 48. So this has a bracket that sits flat. They bent the bracket to 90 degrees. This is a military headlight bracket that they repurposed into something else. So it's an early horn, got the bat wing on it instead of bullseye. So these, you pay lots of money for these things, and if you're lucky they might work. I don't know if this works. Need a battery. Got a battery? I'm not doing good on horns, but the last 10 I bought have been bad. And you pay $100 a pop for them, so, or better. So you've basically been buying a lot of parts. Let's see, battery charger. So if you got an old style battery charger like that, or battery laying around, yeah, there's a battery. I don't know if it's got any juice in it. If that one doesn't, there's two more over there. Maybe we'll find one that actually works. Probably not. A couple jumper wires. Yeah, always keep your jumper wires laying around. Yeah. Okay, so we got two wires coming out of this. One right there, one right there. Now, I don't know if that battery's any good down there. Find out. If it doesn't spark at all, it's probably not good. It's trying to work. So it's trying to make some noise, but not quite. That's a good sign. So after you clean it all up and set of points in here, maybe we can make it work. But there's an adjustment screw right here. We can try playing with that and see if that helps any. But that usually doesn't do much. Well, what the hell? We can give it a shot. See if it'll do anything. Way smaller than that wrench. Smaller than this wrench too. Yeah, how about that wrench? You're not watching me. Good video job. Okay, this is your adjustment screw for adjusting your horn. Okay, we'll look out and make it work. Ooh, didn't like that. It's not pulsing. It's arcing, but it's not pulsing. Nope. She's trying. I can fake it. Yeah, it's trying. That's a good sign, actually. That means you can probably clean up and probably make it work. That's way better than most of the ones I get. So this is needs to be straightened though. Pretty screwed up. Like I said, this bracket ain't supposed to be on here at all, like the way they got this thing butchered onto here. But it might work. I'll give it 75% good, which is pretty damn good for me. Alright, so we'll see if we make it work. Underneath here it says Dilkarimi in here with a bunch of patent numbers and stuff. That's what you're looking for when you're buying these things. Like I said, this stupid bracket is not They butchered the bracket out, but I can probably straighten that out. I just got to bend this back flat right through here, and I can make it into, can restore it back to something useful. And you got a military or headlight bracket, horn bracket combo. This is the lower part of the headlight bracket. So if you have one that's broken, you might be able to fix it if you have this piece, but if it's the part that's missing. So you might be able to save a military bracket too, who knows. It's 2 parts in one. Well, too bad it didn't work, but at least it's trying. That's a big plus. And we're missing one of the screws that go here too for some reason. Oh well. So you gotta take it apart, clean all up. Do not beat blast the field coils, very important. Destroys them. So, other than that, you can clean it all up and see what happens. Alright, I'm not gonna work on that though. This takes a lot of effort to do these. Alright, that's it for now.